9. Signs of dementia and 5 natural herbal medicines that cure or prevent dementia. Could you or someone you love be showing signs of dementia without even knowing it? The early indicators are often so subtle that they can be mistaken for something harmless. But missing them could mean missing the chance to take action before it's too late. Today, we're revealing 9 signs of dementia that you need to watch out for, and 5 natural herbal medicines that can help cure or prevent it. This information could change everything you think you know about brain health. Stay with us to discover which simple herbs can work like magic to protect your brain, boost memory, and even reverse early signs of cognitive decline. Some of these remedies might already be in your kitchen. Hi friends, welcome to our channel, your trusted source for life-saving information and natural health tips. If you're concerned about dementia or simply want to protect your brain health, this video is a must-watch. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's dive in. Dementia isn't just getting older. It's a serious condition that affects millions of people worldwide, causing a slow but devastating decline in memory, cognitive ability, and personality. The scariest part? Dementia can sneak up on you. But with early detection and the right natural treatments, it is possible to slow down or even prevent its progression. Before we jump into the signs, remember that dementia symptoms can differ depending on the person and type. Alzheimer's is the most common form, but other types include vascular dementia, Lewy body dementia, and frontotemporal dementia. Let's break down the 9 critical signs of dementia, followed by 5 natural herbs that might be your best defense. 9. Signs of dementia. 1. Memory loss that disrupts daily life. It starts small, forgetting names or where you placed your keys. But when this memory loss begins to interfere with your everyday life, missing appointments, forgetting recently learned information, or constantly relying on notes for things you once knew by heart, it's a serious red flag. This isn't just normal aging, it's a sign that the brain is struggling to hold on to what matters most. 2. Difficulty planning or solving problems. Have you noticed a loved one struggling to follow a simple recipe or take longer to pay bills? Tasks that involve numbers or steps may suddenly become overwhelming. This difficulty isn't just about confusion, it's about losing the ability to problem solve, a key cognitive function that dementia erodes over time. 3. Confusion with time or place. Imagine not knowing whether it's morning or night, or getting lost in your own neighborhood. People with dementia often struggle to understand the passage of time. They may forget where they are or how they got there, causing a disorienting and frightening experience for both them and those around them. 4. Trouble understanding visual images and spatial relationships. Vision problems aren't just about needing glasses. Dementia can interfere with depth perception, contrast, and even recognizing faces. You might notice a loved one becoming hesitant to drive or frequently stumbling, unaware of their surroundings. 5. Problems with words in speaking or writing. Conversations can become difficult for someone experiencing dementia. They might stop mid-sentence, struggle to find the right words, or repeat themselves without realizing it. Simple tasks like writing a grocery list or following a conversation can become an immense challenge. 6. Misplacing things and losing the ability to retrace steps. Everyone loses their phone now and then, but for someone with dementia, misplacing things is a constant struggle, and worse, they can't retrace their steps to find them. This often leads to accusations that others are stealing from them, which can create tension and confusion in relationships. 7. Decreased or poor judgment. People with dementia may show poor judgment, particularly in financial situations. They might start giving large amounts of money to telemarketers or make decisions that seem irrational, like dressing inappropriately for the weather. This poor decision-making is a result of the brain's declining ability to process complex information. 8. Withdrawal from work or social activities. As dementia progresses, you may notice a loved one withdrawing from hobbies, social events, or even work. They may feel embarrassed by their cognitive struggles, or simply lose interest due to the overwhelming mental effort these activities now require. 9. Mood and personality changes. Dementia doesn't just affect memory. It can also alter mood and personality. Someone who was once cheerful might become anxious, confused, or even suspicious of others. Sudden bursts of anger or feelings of paranoia are not uncommon, and these shifts can make daily life incredibly challenging for caregivers and family members. Before we dive into the natural remedies, it's important to note that while herbal medicine can support brain health and even prevent or slow dementia, these remedies should not replace professional medical advice or treatments. Always consult your doctor before beginning any new treatment plan, especially if you or a loved one is already dealing with dementia. 5. Natural herbal medicines for dementia prevention and how to use them. While dementia may seem like an unstoppable force, nature has provided us with powerful herbs that can offer significant protection. These herbs, when used correctly, not only prevent, but may even help reverse cognitive decline in the early stages. Let's take a closer look at the 5 natural remedies that could be your brain's best defense against dementia. 1. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is a superstar when it comes to improving brain function. Known for increasing blood flow to the brain, it boosts cognitive performance, particularly in memory retention. Studies have shown that it can slow the progression of Alzheimer's in its early stages by promoting better oxygen and nutrient flow to brain cells. How to use it? For maximum results, take 120-240 milligrams of standardized ginkgo extract daily. It's best to split the dose in 2, one in the morning and one in the evening, to maintain consistent benefits. Over time, you'll notice improvements in mental clarity and focus. 2. Turmeric, curcumin. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Its ability to cross the blood-brain barrier makes it particularly effective at reducing the plaque buildup that's a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Regular use of turmeric can protect neurons from damage, potentially preventing dementia from progressing. How to use it? Take 500-1,000 milligrams of curcumin extract daily, and always combine it with black pepper or piperine to enhance its absorption. You can also incorporate turmeric into your diet. Add it to soups, curries, or golden milk for an extra brain boost. 3. Ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb that's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Ashwagandha has been shown to reduce brain cell degeneration and enhance memory. Its neuroprotective properties help combat anxiety and stress, which are often contributors to cognitive decline. How to use it? Take 300 milligrams of ashwagandha root extract twice a day. Consistency is key here, and you should notice a gradual improvement in mental focus, anxiety levels, and even overall energy within weeks. 4. Biloba monieri. Biloba is a powerhouse for boosting brain function and protecting against cognitive decline. Known to enhance memory and learning, Biloba works by improving synaptic communication and defending brain cells from oxidative stress. It's especially useful in preventing age-related memory loss. How to use it? For optimal results, take 300 milligrams of Biloba extract daily. The effects are cumulative, so give it several weeks to build up in your system for noticeable improvements in recall and mental clarity. 5. Gotu kola. Revered in traditional medicine for centuries, Gotu kola is known for its ability to enhance memory and improve cognitive function. It works by boosting circulation to the brain and reducing oxidative stress, 2 major factors in preventing dementia. How to use it? Take 500 milligrams of Gotu kola extract daily. You can also brew it as a tea for an extra soothing effect. Regular use will sharpen your mental faculties and help stave off the effects of cognitive decline. The fight against dementia starts with awareness. Recognizing the early signs and taking preventative action can make a huge difference in maintaining brain health for years to come. Whether you're trying to protect yourself or a loved one, these natural remedies could offer the support you need. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health tips and information that can truly change your life. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and let's work together to protect our minds and our futures.